So the Reserve Bank met and decided to leave the official cash rate unchanged at 5.5%, where it's been for some time now. Now that decision was widely expected, including by ourselves, but there was still a surprise in the announcement though, in that the Reserve Bank lifted its official cash rate forecasts such that it no longer expects cuts to the official cash rate in the first half of next year. It now expects those cuts to occur maybe in the mid or latter stages of 2025. So perhaps a bit of a disappointment for those looking for a sniff or signal that interest rates are about to come down anytime soon. It's a fair question. There's a lot of economic pain out there. The Reserve Bank told us that we needed a recession to fix inflation. We got the recession. Isn't it time for a tools down and interest rates to start coming down? The rub in all of that is that the Reserve Bank's main focus is inflation. And inflation is still too high. What we saw from the Reserve Bank this week, an intention to fight a little bit harder to flush out that last bit of inflation out of the system. And the only way they can do that is to keep the pressure on with interest rates. And so on their forecasts, we're going to get higher interest rates sticking around for longer. So there's probably two key implications that drop out of this. Number one is interest rates look set to remain higher for longer. So we think the Reserve Bank might be able to lower interest rates earlier than it currently forecasts, but we've still shunted the timing of our first forecast cash rate cut out from November of this year to February of 2025. So that's number one. The second is we're probably going to have to get used to these tough economic conditions that we're in at the moment sticking around for a little bit longer. So we're going to have to go away and have a look at some of our forecasts for things like economic growth, house prices and unemployment, and we'll probably be nudging those in a slightly weaker direction as we reflect the announcement from the Reserve Bank this week.